Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand how to view GSTR 3B summary as per books and that as per the downloaded portal data in Tally Prime. GSTR 3B is a return that displays all the sections along with the portal data, which helps you in reconciliation of GSTR 3B summary. Tally Prime Release 5.0 brings in a facility to download returns from within Tally Prime. Once you download the returns, you can open the return and compare the values. You can also view the difference between the values in the books and those on the portal. This helps you identify discrepancies in the liability and ITC values as per books and those as per the GST portal. Therefore, you can take the appropriate actions in order to address the discrepancies and reconcile the return. Let's first download the GSTR 3B for a period. Press Alt-Z and select Download GST Returns. Press C to configure the download. Select the return type and then set the return period for which you want to download the return. Press Escape and then press D to download the return. Now that you have downloaded the portal transactions corresponding to the return, you can view GSTR 3B for the period. Press Alt-G. Type 3B and open GSTR 3B. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Enter the from and to dates. You can see the report with the comparison of the values in the books and those on the portal. Now, you can also view the difference between the values in the books and those on the portal in this report. Press Ctrl B. Select Difference between books and portal values. You can view the difference between the values in the books and those on the portal for the unreconciled sections. You will need to address the discrepancy. If the liability sections of GSTR 3B are unreconciled, then you need to reconcile GSTR 1 in your book. And therefore, the liability sections of GSTR 3B will get reconciled. On the other hand, if there are unreconciled sections related to ITC, then you need to complete the GSTR 2B reconciliation. You need to record the ITC adjustment or reversal entries in GSTR 3B so that the unreconciled sections of GSTR 2B get reconciled. As you saw with the facility for downloading the portal data for GSTR 3B, you can view the report and compare and identify the differences between the values. You can then take the necessary actions to reconcile the sections. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.